Yeah, I really like it. Hi guys, so we have another delivery. I made another purchase on Vestiaire. I thought I'd start off the video with this because if I put bag unboxing in the video, people are probably gonna skip. Anyway, so let me just tell you a little bit about it first. It's a bag from Ootd. I love these cool little brands like Ootd, Farfetch, Nanushka, all of those. I have my eye on a Nanushka bag actually, which I think I may get. But yeah, so let me show you. I'm going to open the box in a second. I just want to let you know how I went about it. So it went up at £89.66. This is in pounds, and I bid quite a bit, and we managed to agree on £54.93. And it's a dark brown little handle bag, which I think is really cute. Crocodile print. It's got this dust bag and a shoulder strap, but I don't think I'll use that. And it says it's never been used, so should be in really good condition. Let me just have a look at how much it retailed for originally. So I think this is obviously an old style. It definitely is more of a summer bag, but because I got it in like a dark brown, I feel like I can still get away with it. Although it is a small bag, so I'm not too sure how much I'd be able to fit in there. I can't really find any retailers that have it. Obviously it is an old style, but there's some similar bags for like 300 odd, something like that. So it's probably around that price. But anyway, let's get into opening it. I believe I brought scissors. Yeah, they're next to my feet. So this came from France. Yes, it did. It came from France. Courbevoie. I don't know. But I'm very excited. I definitely feel like I need more unique shaped bags, more different kinds of bags. All I do tend to wear is my Balenciaga, so my city bag, which I love. It's the best size. And I'm still obviously going to wear that. I don't think I'll ever get rid of that. Because as you know, I have gotten rid of a few bags in the past. My Louis Vuitton Boss for backpack, my Givenchy Antigona. I think there's another one. Yeah. Okay, here it is. Oh, it's bigger than I thought. I'm glad. Let's open it up. And there it is. Oh, this is actually a great size. I'm so happy with it. So it comes with a strap, which I don't really like wearing top handle bags with straps, so this is probably going to stay in the dust bag for now. But I mean, I think in the summer this bag with like a little shirt dress or a little cute little mini dress and some sandals just popped on your arm would be so cute. So in here it's got this little drawstring, so you like feel a little bit protected by your stuff and it's not just open to the air. And then like for reference, I think this is like iPhone 11 iPhone, I don't know, this is an 11. It's not like the maxes that are out these days. This is a little bit of an older one, but fits in there incredibly easy. Actually a lot more space than I was expecting, and a lot more room than my by far shoulder bag. But this one obviously is not really something you'd wear up there because it's very structured. This is like tough, so if you wanted to travel with this, I feel like you'd probably have to keep it in your hand luggage. And it's got that crocodile print, which I really like, and I don't have a dark brown bag, so really enjoy that. I like that a lot. And I'm about to film a reel with it. I literally was just filming the reel so far without the bag, and then I wanted to unbox it for you guys, and then I was going to bring it in. But I'm very, very happy. I've been loving, like seriously, really loving Vestiaire at the moment. Like I'm going through all their stuff. I also really enjoy, I like going through like their new ins and stuff, but what I tend to do is on their homepage they have like the We Love section, and I tend to go through that stuff quite often, because there they have the really good stuff. So obviously like it's like curated and picked by the Vestiaire team, and that stuff is like the nice stuff in there. I mean, you guys should see my wish list, it's massive on there. But I mean, we're slowly gonna add some cool pieces, but I'm really, really happy with this guy. I think it's so, so cute. But yeah, that's all for today. I mean, not today, that's all for now. Just wanted to show you that little piece. It's actually been sitting downstairs since yesterday. It arrived yesterday, and of course I wanted to share with you guys before I do anything else. Not too much else that's going to happen at the moment. I'm just about to finish off the reel that I started doing with the bag in situ with the outfit. Currently just wearing this like old linen H&M shirt, this also H&M like knitted crop top, and these mango trousers at the moment. I'll show you the outfit actually at the end with it all put together, because I feel like you're gonna want to see that. But other than that, today I think we are just going to do a little bit of vlogging and cooking, getting back to my old style videos. I'm not too sure if there's going to be any more chatting. There's definitely not going to be any more purchases today, but I do have something exciting coming next week, so stay tuned for that. Very excited for those things to come. But yeah, that's it for today. A new bag. Hope you guys like it, and I'll see you when I'm eating something, most likely. So I just wanted to show you guys the outfit fully together. I think it actually looks really cute with the bag. The tones all together look really nice. I've got my New Balances, obviously, that you've seen recently. Haven't worn these out yet, so they're still looking very fresh. My mango trousers, which I love. They're very flattering, I feel like. That shirt that I told you about, the top that I told you about. This is a blazer from a charity shop, actually. Which I love. I love these colours together, nice neutral tones. And then my trench coat from H&M, and my bag. It looks quite cool, I feel like. And square it in the nook of the arm, like that. Yeah, I really like it. What do you think? Let me know. I know a crop top in winter is a bit of a dairy situation, but I mean, my stomach is not really something that gets cold. It's more either my legs or my chest or something, so I could throw a scarf on with this. But yeah, I'm gonna go and finish this reel because I haven't actually filmed the outfit part of it. I've just filmed each individual item.
I don't wanna wake up. It's 3 in the morning and everyone's in their rooms. to see me. Sorry that maybe I wanna leave you here. Going outside. It's been forever. Everyone's talking, but all I remember is the day that your heart was mine. I don't know why the feelings are mutual.
I love you.
God, can you save me? Take all my memories. Don't wanna lose her. It's hard to breathe.
Give me kisses.
And it pains me
Kisses.
to believe that you are the right one that came at the wrong time. Good.
I'm going for that.
What's Mummy got you? What did Mummy get you?
You got a Happy Meal, little princess.
What's this? What's this? What's this? Mummy got you toy? What's that? You're the opposite of Little Miss Sunshine, aren't you? You're the opposite. You're the opposite.